Welcome to the world of creating children's books with ReadKidz, a platform designed to unleash your creativity and bring your stories to life. A quick search for ReadKidz reveals a wealth of resources and tools available online to help you get started on your creative journey. ReadKidz empowers you to unblock your creativity, making children's content creation easier and faster than ever before. Recognized as a top project, ReadKidz is celebrated for its innovative approach to multimedia content creation. Choose the perfect plan that suits your needs, with options ranging from free to mega, ensuring everyone can create engaging content. Monetize your content and audience with ReadKidz' powerful tools, turning your creativity into a profitable venture. Explore the ReadKidz Video Creation Manual, a comprehensive guide to crafting AI-powered children's video stories. Dive into advanced tutorials, including KDP series courses, to refine your skills and create consistent picture book stories. Ask anything and get the help you need to enhance your creative projects with ReadKidz' support system. Explore AI image generation tools to complement your storytelling and bring your characters to life with vivid visuals. Utilize design platforms like Canva to enhance your book's visual appeal and create stunning layouts effortlessly. Revisit the plan options to ensure you have the best tools and resources to support your creative journey with ReadKidz. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below.